Welcome back to See My Review. Today we've got a fire sneaker unboxing that you do not want to miss. I'm talking about the Air Jordan 4 Retro OG SP Nigel Sylvester Brick by Brick. This one is straight up a perfect mix of heritage, BMX culture, and streetwear. And here's the best part. I found an amazing website where you can cop these kicks at a crazy discount. Stick around and I'll tell you all about it. Let's get into it. Let's crack open this box. First off, the packaging itself screams premium. It's got special details that represent Nigel Sylvester's BMX journey, staying true to the brick by brick theme. And boom! Look at these beauties. That firewood orange suede upper is just insane. You've also got the classic Jordan 4 silhouette, but with unique twists. Check out the Bike Air branding on the heel. It replaces the usual Nike Air logo, which is a sick nod to Sylvester's BMX roots. The details on this pair are next level. From the embroidered mini swoosh on the forefoot, let's talk about why these kicks are a must-have. First, the suede upper isn't just for style. It's built tough to handle the streets, making it perfect. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or a fashion lover looking for the perfect blend of style, quality, and affordability, repsneaker.net is your go-to destination. This top-tier online store offers an impressive selection of high-quality sneakers, streetwear, and fashion items that cater to every taste. Whether you're into classic Jordans, trendy Yeezys, or exclusive designer kicks, repsneaker.net ensures that you get premium craftsmanship without the hefty price tag. What sets them apart is their commitment to authenticity. Each product is crafted with attention to detail, mirroring the original designs with precision, from materials to stitching. Plus, they prioritize customer satisfaction with secure payment methods, Ryuan, fast global shipping, and responsive customer service. That makes shopping a breeze. Their affordable pricing means you don't have to break the bank to stay ahead in the sneaker game. So if you're looking for the perfect balance of quality, price, and convenience, repsneaker.net is a must-visit for sneakerheads and fashion enthusiasts alike, perfect for BMX riders and sneakerheads alike. The sail midsole gives it that vintage, worn-in aesthetic, so they already have that stylish aged look. Plus, the rugged construction means durability is on point. That's a wrap for today's unboxing and review of the Air Jordan 4 Retro OG SP Nigel Sylvester Brick by Brick. Let me know in the comments